Sweet, sweet mango tree. Ben was a man who did not like to work. One day he was sitting under a tree. He heard a noise far away in the bush. It was like somebody singing, but it was not a song Ben knew. Ben wanted to see what was happening, so he walked quietly through the bush. Then Ben saw a funny thing. There was an old man in a red hat. He was dancing around a big mango tree. As he danced, he sang, "Sweet, sweet mango tree sweet, my children need something to eat." Then, to Ben's surprise, he heard a deep voice. "What do you want to eat?" It was a mango tree speaking. The old man in the red hat danced and sang, "Sweet, sweet mango tree sweet, my children need rice and meat." Then the tree began to shake. It looked as if a big wind was blowing, but there was no wind. The mangoes on the tree went round and round. Suddenly, Ben heard a loud noise. He thought it was mangoes falling, but it was not. Bags of rice and meat fell out of the tree. The old man put the rice and meat into a basket. Then he danced around the tree again. As he danced, he sang, "I thank you, dear mango tree, I thank you." Then the old man went away. Ben stood still. He thought about what he had seen. "I am not hungry," he said to himself, "but what a good way to get food, and I will not have to work for it." Ben ran to the tree and shouted, mango tree, I want something to eat." Nothing happened, so he danced around the tree, but still nothing happened. He had forgotten the words the old man said. So the next day, Ben stayed in the bush. He wanted to see if the old man would come again. The old man did come. He danced and sang. He asked for milk and bread. And just as before, the tree shook as if a big wind was blowing it. Milk and bread fell to the ground. This time, Ben was sure of the words. He said just what the old man had said, but he asked for a lot of things. He wanted meat, rice, milk, bread, and rum. All these things dropped out of the tree. He began to pick up some rice, and suddenly everything went back up into the tree. What had happened? He had forgotten to say thank you. So Ben danced around the tree and sang, "I thank you, dear mango tree, I thank you." All the things dropped to the ground again. Ben could not eat all these things, so he went to town and sold some of them. It was a good way to make money, and he did not have to work. Every day the old man came to the tree and asked for a little food. And every day Ben came to the tree and asked for a lot of food. Then he went to town and sold it. Ben was making a lot of money, but he wanted more. "Let me see if the tree will give me other things," he said to himself. "Maybe I could ask for clothes. No, I will ask for a lot of money. Then I can buy anything I want. I will live in a big house. Even selling is hard work. This way I will not have to work again. I will be rich." So the next day he went to the mango tree. He took a lot of baskets to put the money in. He danced and sang, "Sweet, sweet mango tree sweet, my children want money to eat." Maybe nothing will happen, he thought. Maybe the tree will know that people do not eat money. But the tree began to shake and shake. Money began to fall to the ground, and then began to fill the baskets. He did not even stop to say thank you. But this time, the tree did not take back anything. More money just fell. Soon Ben had filled all the baskets, and still more money fell and fell and fell. It fell on top of him. It covered him up. Then the tree stopped shaking. The old man came the next day. He saw a lot of green mangoes under the tree, but he did not think about it. He just got his food and went away. He did not know about Ben, so he did not look for him. And nobody ever saw Ben again.